Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. We've got our first Sony TV in for 2021 and we're starting off with a good one. It's the A90J. This is going to be the one that's replacing the A9G. It is an OLED TV and it is one of their, I guess, more flagship models. So we're going to open it up, show you what comes inside, and give you our first impressions, so stay tuned. So here we have all the accessories that come in the box. The first things you're going to see are 3 panels that go on the back to cover up the different inputs and different spots on the back of the TV. Next to those are 2 covers that are going to go on the pedestal. Then we've got the remote, which is backlit on this one, thankfully, and we've got a couple batteries, along with some M5 L16 screws, a power cord for the TV, paperwork, a little cable management zip tie there, and then the pedestal feet themselves. So we've got the TV all set up now. It's a fairly involved process, so you definitely, if you're buying the 65-inch, you definitely want to make sure you have a second person there with you. First impressions are the picture is fantastic. We were kind of expecting that. Sony usually with their OLEDs does a great job with just reproducing color, giving you super deep blacks like an OLED should. So picture quality, outstanding right out of the box. It does come with an updated remote. It's backlit, and that's great if you're trying to use it in the dark. And it does have some shortcut buttons on here as well to make things easier to get to. We are going to see some additional upgrades on this TV that we'll talk about in our full overview video. We'll get into more details on those. On the back, you do have 4 HDMIs. 2 of them are HDMI 2.1, and currently they are 4K 120 compatible. Auto low latency mode built in. There is an update supposedly in the future for variable refresh rate, so we will have to see on that. We're going to do some more tests on this one for you, like I said, with that upcoming overview video. We just wanted to give you guys kind of an idea of what comes in the box and give you first impressions of what the picture looks like. So far, everything is looking fantastic on this one, so make sure you stay tuned because we're going to go into more detail in the overview. Thanks, as always, for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.